Hey, what's up guys? It's Love Your Credit Coach with another weekly tip. And this week I want to talk about what is a pay for deletion. So a pay for deletion is whenever you pay and or set up a collection account, you're making a payment in an exchange for the company to delete the account. Now, this doesn't always happen. A collection company might not want to settle the debt for less in exchange for a deletion. They might in return ask you to pay the account in full in return for a deletion letter. If that happens, you have to make sure you get it in writing. A verbal contract is not going to be enough because at the end is your word against theirs. So a pay for deletion is this saying, you know what? I'll pay for this collection account, but if you delete this account from my credit report, if you agree to it before you submit the payment, make sure you get that in writing. So I hope I was able to clarify in regards to what a pay for deletion is. Don't forget to subscribe for more awesome credit repair ways to increase your credit score videos. See you guys soon.